An initiative referred to as the Parents' Bill of Rights has people speaking out tonight. Lawmakers passed the initiative yesterday. Now a coalition of 11 organizations is sharing their concerns. King 5's Connor Board is here in the studio with reaction. Connor?
Joyce, the initiative passed with strong bipartisan support of both the House and the Senate. But groups that support LGBTQ youth say they will be keeping a close eye on any negative impacts. Some people believe parents having access to more school records could cause issues.
That will make students less likely to want to engage in assistance for those difficult conversations and those difficult things they're dealing with, because they'll fear that that information will get relayed back to parents who might not respond kindly.
The state legislature passed Initiative 2081 on Monday. It ensures parents have the rights to their children's school records, including things like medical, health, and counseling records. But Gabriel Newman with the Greater Seattle Business Association says this could make kids not want to come forward for counseling, be scared to identify with new pronouns at school, and more.
This will have impacts on access to reproductive care. For example, if a student has questions about receiving contraception through their school.
We want the youth to be able to feel supported.
Taylor Farley is the head of the Queer Power Alliance. Gabriel and Taylor's groups issued a release saying they will monitor what happens.
We know that parents' rights are protected and that children's rights need to be protected too.
Republican Representative and State GOP Chairman Jim Walsh voted in favor of the initiative.
It encourages parents to engage with their children, all children.
What is your message to people who are concerned that this could negatively impact LGBT youth?
There is nothing in 2081 that is anti-LGBTQ. There is nothing in the initiative that is anti-trans or anything like that. There are interested groups that want to make that an issue, but that is false, and it's divisive.
Since this was an initiative, it does not need to be signed by the governor, and it goes into effect in about 90 days, Joyce.
Are there any limitations about what parents can access?
There are some limitations. One of those that's in the initiative is that records don't have to be required to be released to parents if those parents are being investigated for any type of child abuse or neglect by law enforcement or DCYF, Joyce.
So some rules around it. All right. Connor, thanks.